Hello, good morning, everyone. Very warm welcome to BabyCode Free Ielts sessions. I'm Tanu Vermani, an IDP certified trainer and a TEFL and TESOL certified trainer. I'm back with my IELTS tips. So today I'm going to provide you some tips for the listening module, right? In the last sessions, I have already discussed about some of the tips for reading part and writing part. Now let's look at listening. How to get band 8 in your IELTS listening module, right? So we will look at top 5 listening tips, and you are going to understand the listening exam format, what are the question types, so that you can walk into your test with full of confidence and you can get the score what you need. So look at the first IELTS listening tip. Familiarize yourself with the range of accents. Now, in the IELTS test, you will be featuring a range of accents. So you're going to reflect the international nature of English. So therefore, you should get used to listening to accents from a range of English speaking countries. So start exploring different English speaking countries and the range of accents. You know that in IELTS test, you will be facing the Canadian accents, the British accent, the American one, and the Australian one, right? So instead of just listening to the BBC, you should try some regional radio stations, or you can actively watch TV shows from different English speaking countries. Next is what you can do is you can quick search on the Google is all you need to find this. Okay. So let's look at second one. Don't lose your concentration. I know it's difficult to stay focused during your IELTS listening test, but it is also extremely important because if you want to score band 7 above or band 8 and above, then you should not lose your concentration. You should stay focused during your entire listening test. So now how you can improve your concentration? You need to practice active listening skills. If you are an active listener, I am sure that you will be able to score band 8 or above. Now, this involves setting yourself small tasks when you're practicing and actually doing something when you are listening. So always try to do something when you are listening, just like you will do in the test. Third one, follow the instructions carefully. Now, this one specially applies when it comes to the word limit. If your question states no more than 3 words, then you can't write any more than this. If your answer is 4 words, it will be counted as incorrect. So always follow the instructions very carefully. Next one, familiarize yourself with different type of questions in your listening test. Do not jump to the mock test. First, try to attempt the type of question. Familiarize yourself that what are the types of question is a listening module. Try to look for the strategies for each type of question and then go for your mock test. So doing so will mean you will know exactly what to expect on the test day and how you're going to react to the question types which are given. So to help you with this, you should use this practice IELTS test papers, which are available in our BabyCode application. Next one, practice listening to things only once. Now, some teachers, they allow their students to listen to the recordings 3 times or 4 times. However, I strongly recommend my students to practicing the exam under the exam conditions, which means you have to listen to the recording only at once. You are not allowed to listen it again. So make sure whenever you are practicing, you practice listening to things only at once. Okay, so be an active listener and focus on being improving your skills. Now, some of the tips, some advice for you for the test day. You should arrive at the test center early. Plan your journey as well. You need to be settled, organized, and ready for what's coming. Read and listen to the instructions very carefully. Many students, they throw away easy marks by misreading or not following the simple instructions. Write your answers on the test paper. Feel free to write on it. You have paid for it, right? Carefully transfer your answers to the answer sheet at the end. You can write in all capital letters if you want. If you have problems hearing the recording, complain at the end, you have paid for the service. So you deserve to be treated properly. So these are the advice tips for the listening testing. So make sure you follow all those 5 tips for an effective listening, and you can score band 8 or above in your listening module. Keep practicing, keep learning, and do not miss out this golden opportunity to shine in your IELTS journey. Do attend a live session at 4 p.m. with me where you can have all your doubts and queries. Stay tuned for more tips and more strategies so that you can boost your overall score. Bye bye. Take care, all of you.